Top 8. This Swiss-made watch features a day and date calendar and a low quartz movement. Case diameter 42 mm. Scratch resistant watch. Top 7. Swiss-made 45 mm case diameter, black dial and black rubber strap. Swiss-Quartz movement. Case diameter 45 mm. Water resistant depth is 200 meters. Top 6. Dark grey dial bracelet, black ice. Stainless steel with triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Swiss-Quartz movement. Case diameter 42 mm. Water resistant to 50 meters. Suitable for short period of recreational swimming. Top 5. White dial with date window. 43 mm plastic case. Swiss-Quartz movement with analog display. Top 4. 43 mm case diameter. Date end of life indicator, scratch resistant. Triple coated anti-reflective sapphire crystal. Screwed on crown, removable black protection. Excludes battery life. Top 3. Silver tone stainless steel case with a brown leather band. Quartz movement 100 meters, water resistance. Unidirectional rotating bezel. Solid case back. Tank closed. Top 2. Silver tone stainless steel case with a silver tone stainless steel band. Quartz movement 100 meters, water resistance. Fixed bezel, scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Solid case back, fold over with push button release clasp. Case size 42 mm. Atom weight 5.43 ounces. Top 1. Display type analog. Case material stainless steel. Case diameter 28 mm. Band material stainless steel. Band color silver. Dial color white. Movement Swiss-Quartz. Water resistant depth is 100 meters.